ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Katanat social welfare jong Sorkar jela haka khendai tarik unailar arjar arpsau. Kala play pat ba ya halfway home ke jaka sumar ya ke riu kentai ki badan ke jingpang haka bor perkhan haka Shillong saumer upper Shillong. Haka sengi play uba poleng do ubalong menteri jong Sorkar jela ula pelaj pat baru ya ka ambulance jong katanat social welfare ban ai jing syakri ya ki pat ba harengkat ke jing sakhilang jong MLA ke Meliam constituency uba Ronnie V Lengdo. Ki officer na katanat social welfare bakentub ya ka director ka kongsi Doreen Lengwa, ka joint director ka Hemarita Sangma, ka assistant director ka kong Novarin Umdor bat kiwei.
Inaugurate our halfway home located here at Saumer, Upper Shillong. With pleasure that we also launch this ambulance with hope and prayer that will be of immense service to this church.
I'm so happy to learn that Social Welfare Department is taking care of people, maybe society would have rejected, but they're all creation of God, God's creation. So salute to all the staff here. I know it is very, very difficult even to deal with normal person, to take care of normal persons. And I think it is challenging for you to take care of people who are mentally challenged, who are mentally sick. And I salute all the staff, and I think God will reward you for all the hard work you're doing.
This is a very positive meeting of stakeholders who are committed to changing things for the better. Mother Teresa had once said that the greatest disease in this world is not cancer, is not TB, but it is the fear of being isolated and of being unwanted. With the formal inauguration of this halfway home here and also the launch of the ambulance service, I'm sure that our efforts to upscale our services as a department have been enhanced. I'm proud that we in the department have dedicated and committed officers, and I seek the support of the local community here. Ni don kamru ekajing kershan jompi kumkador Shillong seng kentai seng samla kini kedai kashlem trekam ko dan Shillong jompi kaba aikam iki Shillong na nehi bat ngangit pin sumar yakini ki inmates ki badan hang ne dakatajuk kamsim jong kajing syakri. It is more blessed to give than to receive.